Alrighty, and here we have the ROG R1s, the first big collab between Asus and Xreal. If you're not familiar with these, ROG R1 is a pair of smart glasses designed to replace your gaming monitor. These are essentially an upgraded pair of Xreal One Pros with an overclocked pair of 240Hz micro-OLED displays and a specialized dock that we'll check out shortly, but let's take a closer look at the glasses. Peeling that film off, we get a good look at the unique design of these glasses. The design is comparatively gamer-flavored, if you will, compared to other pairs of Xreal smart glasses, making them look like you stepped straight out of Cyberpunk. You'll find 2 buttons plus a volume rocker on the right side, and a set of RGB LEDs on both arms of the glasses. Now for those prism lenses, which are the upgraded kind that ships with Xreal One Pro, and enables the widest FOV to date with less distortion, plus a spot for the Xreal Eye camera in the middle that enables 6 DoF spatial tracking. I love the profile of these, as they seem to look sleeker than other pairs of Xreal glasses for whatever reason. The glasses are bundled with a bunch of extras, starting with the USB-C to C braided cable required to hook them up to a PC, phone, or other gaming device. These plug into the back of the left glasses arm and then either into the included dock, which we'll cover in a minute, or straight into a PC, Steam Deck, or other device that supports USB-C display output. The speakers are by Bose, and the ROG branding is on the inside of the other arm. Alright, now let's put those away and look at the rest. Right on top of the accessories package is a microfiber cloth and then a pair of manuals to get you started. This piece is a standard lens template you can take to your optometrist for your glasses prescription, and they just snap into the frame of the ROG R1s, or you can also alternatively order them straight from Xreal's website or some third-party partners. Now, the nose pieces were a little puzzling to me at first, but they just pop off the ends of the metal brackets here to let you change the distance the lenses are positioned from your face. I find these shorter ones to be the most comfortable, as the longer arms tend to obscure parts of the screen and reduce the FOV. And now we get to the dock, the other thing that makes these glasses special. This sucker has basically every port you'd need on the back, HDMI, DisplayPort, you name it, and then you plug the glasses into the front USB-C port. The joystick and buttons on top let you quickly cycle through the devices you've got hooked up to the dock, and are also used to navigate the surprisingly complex OSD menu. These are a monitor replacement after all, so I guess I shouldn't be surprised that there are something like 100 different options in there. As I said earlier, these have RGB stripes on each side that illuminate when plugged in, and can be configured in quite a few different ways. You might also notice that the glasses' arms are tilted at different angles, which are adjustable and can help you get a more comfortable angle for the lenses. That dock is supposed to sit on your desk so that you can just plug the glasses in when you're ready to go and don't have to get behind a computer or whatever else you have it hooked up to. And that's the whole ROG R1 package. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.